Are you struggling to figure out how to sell in email? This is a question that a number of my members ask me all the time. How do I get emails to sell? How do I ensure that I'm automating all of these things so I don't have to be running ads all the time? And that's exactly what I want to share with you today is part of what I class as my Evergreen Sales System. So I'm going to switch to sharing my screen. I'm going to walk you through the entire process inside my ConvertKit account so you can see for yourself how you can set up something similar for your business. I'll see you on the other side. Hey there, Lise Cartwright here. I am a creative business strategist and coach, and I'm here to help people how to integrate and leverage their human design chart into their business so that they can make money with ease. So part of that process is doing what I class as an evergreen sales system. People who get their chart come into this particular process. And how this works is basically when they join and submit and get their business chart. So I have a human design tool and it takes someone through their actual chart through the lens of their business. So they get that. Then the first thing that they're going to do is they're going to now come through this funnel. And the first thing that they're going to get is an email that is specifically for their type. So the first email that they get is focused on them, as in, if you're a manifesting generator, then you are going to get the manifesting generator email. Very specific to you. I talk about specific things to a manifesting generator. Same deal. If you're a projector, then you're going to get the projector information. There is a 1-day delay. Then I'm also tracking people who have clicked on the human design chart link. And then they're going through another email sequence. So within this email sequence, I am basically nurturing them, and I'm also taking them through a very pared down version of my welcome sequence. I have a filter in place that basically says, hey, if someone already has the H&G newsletter tag, filter them out of this email because I've already received it. But if they don't, then they go through this. So it's just my standard welcome email. It just basically says who I am. There's an image of me. I take them through a whole bunch of information, blah, blah, right? Like just the standard email. Then the next email that I'm sending them is asking them if they want to learn more. And so now I'm giving them a few more different ways that they can learn about human design in a business sense. So remember, the whole reason someone joined this particular funnel is because they were interested in the human design component in business. So it's always making sure that you're circling back to the main reason that someone has come into your world. And so I'm continuing to give them some options. And I've also said, don't forget, you have access to an entire library that is free. And so they get to go through that. And then I start talking to them about the reason that I felt so validated, why human design is important, all of those things. So those are the first emails that they receive in this particular funnel. Now, this is a longer funnel. And here's the thing. The conversion window for someone coming into your email list and then actually buying from you can take anywhere from 60 to 90 days. There are only ever sort of 2 to 3% of people who are ready to buy whatever it is that you're offering in the moment. Everybody else either needs a little bit more time to get to know you. There's other stuff going on in their life right now, and the timing's just not right. Because here's the thing that I say to my members all the time. It's not so much about you having to convince someone to buy from you. It's so much more about presenting the opportunity for them to buy from you every single day, trusting that when they are ready, they will buy. And that's it. That's all our responsibility is. And so that is why the Evergreen Sales System works really well, because it is just about presenting the opportunity for people to buy from you every single day. And the more that you do that, the more that you're going to see people buying from you. So then I have a delay of 2 days, and then I put them through another funnel, which is taking them through an entire 30-day sequence where there are a whole bunch of things going out to them. So nurturing emails, more information for them to go through. that type of thing. So you'll see here, I think there are about 18 emails in total that they go through. And at the end of it, I am presenting them with the opportunity to join the Digital Income Accelerator. And then once they've gone through that process, they are taken down to here and they've got the status H&G newsletter subscriber. Now, within this particular sequence, if someone is already a DIA member, they are pulled straight out of that, pulled down straight into here. So you'll see here that we've had 661 people complete, so get to this point, so they just get pulled down to here. But actually only 209 have actually gone through this entire sequence. You can see here that currently we have 52, 268 subscribers have actually fully completed this. And obviously some people are going to unsubscribe along the way, and that's totally fine. What I wanted to show you though is that we have had 209 people fully go through this entire process who are still in this process, and out of that 19 people have purchased. That is a 9% conversion rate, and that is amazing for inside your email system. Now, to be clear, this is running on autopilot. I'm not doing anything to this. Once someone comes into this, they're just going through it, and in between the emails that they're getting here, they're also getting my regular newsletter emails, which are also talking about the things that I do, empowering, inspiring, and all of those things. If you want to learn how to do this and all of the stuff that comes before this, the stuff that allows you to actually write these emails, then I'd love for you to check out the training that is below. And I look forward to hearing what you think about that. All you need to do is click the link. I'll see you there.